If you walk down the aisle of a Whole Foods right now, you will see people staring at a loaf of bread that costs $9. It is half the size of a normal loaf. It tastes like compressed sawdust, and if you try to make a sandwich with it, it crumbles into sadness. But people buy it. In fact, they happily pay double for it. Why? Because the label says gluten-free. Somewhere in the last decade, marketing executives managed to convince perfectly healthy people that gluten is a toxic poison created by the devil to make you bloated. They turned a medical necessity for a tiny minority into a trendy lifestyle for the masses. Here is the reality check. If you do not have celiac disease or a diagnosed sensitivity, eating gluten-free is not healthier for you. In fact, it is usually worse. First, let's explain what gluten actually is. It isn't a chemical toxin. It is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. The word comes from the Latin word for glue. It is the stretchy network that traps air bubbles in dough. It is the reason a baguette is chewy and fluffy instead of a dense brick. For about 1% of the population with celiac disease, this protein triggers an autoimmune response that attacks their intestines. For them, gluten is kryptonite. They need that $9 bread. But for the other 99% of us, gluten is just a protein. Your body digests it, uses it, and moves on. Here is where the scam kicks in. When you remove the glue from bread or pasta, the structure collapses. It tastes like cardboard. So how do food companies make gluten-free cookies taste like cookies? They have to replace that missing structure with something else. Usually, they dump in extra fat, extra sugar, and processed starches like potato starch, rice flour, or tapioca. They also add gums like xanthan gum to stick it all together. So, when you buy that healthy gluten-free muffin, you are often eating something with more calories, more sugar, less fiber, and less protein than the regular version. You are trading a harmless wheat protein for a highly processed chemical science experiment. There is also the halo effect. When people see a label that says free from, their brain assumes it is a diet food. They think, oh, these are gluten-free brownies, so I can eat the whole box. No, a gluten-free brownie is still a brownie. It is still sugar and butter. It just lacks the one protein that would actually help keep you full. If you feel better when you stop eating bread, it probably isn't because you cut out gluten. It's because you stopped eating processed junk like donuts, pizza, and burgers. You cut the calories, not the protein. So, unless your doctor told you that wheat is killing you, save your money. Buy the regular sourdough. It tastes better, it's cheaper, and ironically, it's probably better for you than the expensive cardboard box next to it.